This is the body and these are the borders and 2 pillow covers to come alongside it. Again priced at, these are hand block printed bed sheets. I will not open up the whole thing. I think this will be clear to you like this only. As you can see, this is the one. This is the body of the whole bed sheet. ये आपके पूरे बेड को कवर करेगा. This is the border. This is a full two pillow cover bed sheet set. 90 by 108 is the size of the bed sheet. Hello everyone, I am Pooja from Ethnique Designs. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today I'll be showing something new to you guys. अभी तक हम सूट्स कर रहे थे, तो in today's video I'll be showing you some ethnic bed sheets. हमारे ethnic weaves जो हैं इंडिया के and ethnic जो हमारे block prints हैं. I'll show you some bed sheets and this is the first thing that I'll be doing first time. So please see it carefully and if you like it, please like the channel, subscribe to my channel and do encourage me. I really look forward to your feedbacks for the encouragement because they provide me with a lot of encouragement. आप आराम से देखिए, तसल्ली से देखिए and let's see how do we deal with our bed sheets. To start off, I'll show you some nice collection of इक्कत. पोचमपल्ली इक्कत फैब्रिक में आपको प्योर कॉटन 100% कॉटन में आपको दिखा रही हूँ मैं ये बेड शीट्स. This is the first bed sheet that I am going to show you. See, this is the pattern of the bed sheet. This is the ikat weave that has been done. इसमें different multicolored designs, multicolors use करके woven है ये. This is 100% organic bed sheet. 90 by 108 will be the size of the bed sheet. इसके साथ आएंगे आपके दो pillow covers. This is a full two pillow cover bed sheet set. 90 by 108 is the size of the bed sheet. Okay, this is the first pattern that I have shown you. In this only, in Ikkat collection only, I'll show you the other one. That is a nice grey color. देखिए, grey and white pink का combination है. Ikkat weave in itself is very ethnic. बहुत पुरानी weave है हम इंडिया की. पोचमपल्ली इक्कत है and this will be the spread of the, ये आपका body of the bed sheet है. ये आपकी borders of the bed sheet आएगा. This is the body and these are the two bed pillow covers to go with it. These bed sheets are priced at a nominal 1350 and the size, as I have already told you, the size is of only size is 90 by 108. That fits very well into the king size beds also. The next one is a nice grey with the yellow combination. The earlier one was a nice grey with a more of a grey and lesser of a pink. Now see, in this the pattern, the weave pattern is different. These all are very different ones. See, this is the one. This is the body of the whole bed sheet. ये आपके पूरे bed को cover करेगा. This is the border. These are the borders of the bed sheet, as you can see. We can see, yeah, this is, maybe this is the way I can show you. This is the body of the bed sheet and now these are the two pillow covers that will come along with it. 90 by 108, two pillow covers. This comes to you for 1350 only. These are very nice, organic cotton है. आपका आराम से बेड पे हिलेंगी भी नहीं. If they are tucked in nicely, these are very comfortable ones और आपको बहुत ही comfortable ये लगेंगी. Now to break the color, the next color that I am going to show you is a multiple color, again a bold one. Bold combination में आपके आ गया. ये देखिए, grey, black, mustard and red combination में आपका ये bed cover आएगा. 90 by 108 again. See, this is the body and these are the borders and two pillow covers to come alongside it. Again priced at only rupees 1350 in this video. See, these are such classic ikkat designs, as you can see. Beautiful. You can imagine your beds with these bedspreads. कितना beautiful, कितना ethnic, कितना Indian लगता है when we actually are using these hand-loomed bed sheets in our bedrooms. So anyone who has a beautiful ethnic choice, उनके लिए तो ये बिल्कुल premium range of bed sheets है. Coming to you only for rupees 1350. Now another pattern in this is this ब्लैक एंड मस्टर्ड, अगेन सच रॉयल कॉम्बिनेशंस आर बीइंग यूज्ड. हमारे वीवर्स कितना सुंदर काम करते हैं, कितनी कितनी आर्टिस्टिकली देखिए आप, ये वीव की गई है इक्कत की, और इतने सुंदर डिजाइन और पैटर्न्स आते हैं इसमें. दिस इज द बेड शीट. बॉडी ऑफ द बेड शीट विल बी लाइक दिस, and these are the bed covers, pillow covers to go with it. Again, this ikkat bed sheet is only for rupees. See, and one more thing is कि इसका पॉकेट वाले आपके आएंगे पिलोज, विच आर, जो कंप्लेंट्स हमारे को होती हैं अपने जिप वाले पिलोज में, वो आएंगे नहीं इसमें. एंड दीज आर द पिलो कवर्स विद द पॉकेट. अगेन दिस बेड शीट सेट इज फॉर rupees 1350 only. Now the patterns will different. Ikkat is a very nice weave, very ethnic weave. जिनकी choice होती है, they really love to go with them. बहुत ही अच्छी quality of cotton used होती है, hand loomed होती है, they are not power loomed. So again ये हमारे कारीगरों के काम है, weaves हैं कि बहुत टाइम लगा के ये लोग ये काम करते हैं. Now this is the next one. As you can see, this is the pattern. ये आपकी body आएगी, बेड कवर पे आपका ये डिजाइन आएगा. एज यू कैन सी मस्टर्ड ब्लैक एंड ग्रे का कॉम्बिनेशन है, बोल्ड कलर्स हैं. इमेजिन योर बेड्स विद these kind of bedspreads, they will look beautiful. Now again 2 pillow covers to go alongside it. 1350 will be the price range for this video. Now the next color that I am going to show you is a nice orange color, bright orange color with a different pattern. Again I have tried to put in as much patterns, as much colors, as much इस वीडियो में जितना मैं ला सकती थी. See, this will be the color of the bed sheet. बॉडी आपकी बेडशीट की, बॉडी आपका बेडशीट का ये ऑरेंज कलर का आ रहा है. As you can see, it comes with the 2 pillow covers. The cotton is totally organic, which has been used. These are hand loomed. I am specifying these things because these are the keywords that we look forward to if we have an ethnic Indian wear choice. तो ethnic चीज़ों के साथ यही आता है. We are proud of them because these are made by artisans. जो हमें designs ऐसे ही लगते हैं. These are hand woven. They spend so much of time on the looms to do it on their own with their own hands. So this was the last one that I have in ikkats. These were the ikkat selection that I had taken up for you. This is for 1350 only. Now I am showing you some ajrak bed covers, bed sheet sets. Again, these are natural dyes that have been used in these bed sheets. As you can see, as you may be knowing, these are hand block printed bed sheets. I will not open up the whole thing. I think this will be clear to you like this only. As you can see, this is the body of the bed sheet. आपके बेड पे ये सारी बॉडी आएगी. This will be the bed sheet border body. ये आपके borders आ रहे हैं. Again this one also comes to you with 2 pillow covers. These are the 2 pillow covers to go alongside with this. ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगते हैं आपके उस पे बेड पे बिछी हुई होगी. Just imagine when they are the way they will look when they will be put on your beds. बहुत रॉयल, बहुत रिच लुक देंगी आपके बेड्स को, बेडरूम्स को एकदम से वाइब्रेंट कर देंगी. ये वाली नेचुरल डाइड ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन में नेचुरली डाइड बेडशीट्स हैं. दीज आर अजरक हैंड ब्लॉक प्रिंट्स. ओके, नाउ इन दिस ओनली आई हैव अनदर कलर. Blue is the color with a different design. So this will be the body of the bed sheet. I'll just show you. Opening them up is a bit tedious actually. Just show you. See. Now see. This will be the body of the bed sheet. This is the body. These are the borders that will come on the 4 sides of the bed sheet. And again these are the 2 pillow covers to go alongside it. See, these are the 2 pillow covers to go alongside it. These are ajrak hand block printed bed sheets. These block prints are done using natural dyes, and the cotton fabric that has been used is 100% organic. Totally organic बेडशीट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इसमें. डाइज भी जो यूज़ की गई हैं, दे आर टोटली नेचुरल डाइज. These Ajrak block printed bed sheet sets will come to you only for rupees 1450. These Ajrak block print sets, bed sheet sets are for only 1450. Again, this is the third one that I have. These are very classic block prints, as you can see. बहुत similar होते हैं but intricacy बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. The block prints that have been used are quite intricate, as you can see. This will be the body of your bed sheet, and these are the two pillow covers to go alongside it. Now this again is for rupees 1450. The Ajrak ones bed sheets that I have shown you are for rupees 1450, and the Ikkat ones are for rupees 1350. These are totally made by hand. हमारे आर्टिजन्स इन पे टाइम खर्च करके इनको बनाते हैं. डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया से है. दीज अजरक वंस आर फ्रॉम राजस्थान, गुजरात. द इक्कत वंस दैट आई शोड यू आर फ्रॉम पोचनपल्ली. इक्कत वंस आर फ्रॉम आंध्रा. सो वी हैव अ रिच कल्चर. हमारे आर्टिजन्स ये सब काम कर रहे होते हैं, तो हमें भी उनको प्रमोट करना चाहिए बाय प्रमोटिंग दीज type of stuffs. Hope you have liked them. This was a new segment. This was a new thing that I have added. Please let me know how you have liked them. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Hope you are having a fun time. Enjoy yourself and a very happy new year to all of you. Thank you so much.